You made me run all this way from there, all the way from there, and this is how I'm gonna get back, guys. You'll be with me. So I just want to talk with y'all, but I might be quitting YouTube when I'm 17. So yeah, and I might make a new channel sometime, because right now I'm on my grandma's channel, but because this is my YouTube channel, but it will soon be, I'll make my own YouTube video soon. But yeah, you're exploring nature with me, you know? Awesomest thing of life. Nah, I can't go that way. Yo, if I get 100 likes on this video, I'll jump across that. But here I go from here. I think I might be able to jump. Nah, I won't make that, but from here to I can't make that either. Gosh, I'm just gonna walk through here. So yeah, I'm going. I'm almost back. Hold up. I'm almost here. I'm almost back. I'm almost back. I'm almost